Welcome! Thank you for joining me for this integrated math and art lesson. We are going to be making a fall picture using markers, crayons, construction paper, and addition. This is an example of what the final product is going to look like. But before we start drawing, let's chat quickly about the fall season and addition. What is fall? Fall is a season when the weather gets cooler and the leaves on the trees change color to red, orange, yellow, and brown. It's the time of year when the days start to get shorter and we prepare for winter. Fall is also when some people celebrate things like Thanksgiving and Halloween. And it's the time for harvesting crops like pumpkins and apples. What is addition? Addition is when you put numbers together to find how much you have in total. For example, if you have 2 apples and then you get 3 more, you can add them to see how many you have altogether. So 2 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's get our materials out and then start creating our design. You will need a piece of white paper, markers and crayons in the colors of green, brown, red, orange, and yellow. And for writing your title and your equation, you could use a black marker. You can also use a pair of scissors and a glue stick. 2 other things that you can have that are optional but you don't need for this project is your title and your addition equation. Now, if you'd like this, you can download it from the link in the description box for free. Or if you want, you can just write it directly on the page. Let's get started. First, we're going to draw a tree nice and big in the middle of the page and some grass at the bottom. Once you have the outline of the tree, you're going to add in some lines to add detail. Great! Now we will go ahead and color in our tree and grass with our crayons. Now that we are finished the drawing portion of this project, it is time to add the leaves. You will need 20 leaves in total. You can rip the paper into a leaf shape, or if you have adult permission and supervision, you can cut out the leaves using scissors. I like to have leaves that are all 3 of the colors, red, orange, and yellow. Okay, now we have 20 leaves. This is where the addition comes in. We are going to make 20 by adding 3 different numbers together. For example, 10 plus 5 plus 5 equals 20. And you could do 5 plus 7 plus 8 equals 20. Take a few minutes to play around with your leaves. See how many different ways you can make 20. You have 3 sections on your page where you will be gluing down the leaves. Section 1 is to the left of the tree, Section 2 is on the top of the tree, and Section 3 is to the right of the tree. So you're going to choose your favorite equation using 3 addends to make 20. And that is the one that you will use in your artwork. For example, I have chosen to use 6 plus 7 plus 7, which equals 20. So I am going to glue 6 leaves to the left of the tree, 7 leaves on the top of the tree, and 7 leaves to the right of the tree. Great! Now that we are finished gluing down our leaves, if you want, you can get a piece of construction paper and glue your artwork to it. This is optional. You don't have to. You can keep your white paper. It is time to write our addition equation. If you have a template, we're going to write it on that and glue it on the page. If not, you can write it on the bottom of the page. Now, our final step is to put our name on our artwork, give our art a title, and write the date. Now, if you don't have this template, that is totally fine. You can just write it on the top of your paper in your best printing. And there you have it. We have finished our fall addition to 20 artwork. Thank you for joining me in this video. Please like this video so that I know you enjoyed it. Also, consider subscribing to help support this channel so that we can make more creative videos.